Where you going?
I'm right here.
What you got?
Oh, I'm going to Funky Town.
Oh, I see.
Uh-oh. So, Nick and I have been talking about Mini Bs for a very, very, very long time.
Ooh, to clarify, Nick doesn't know this yet.
Correct. However, Nick wants a brushless, so he's gonna be a little disappointed. It's okay. Patrick and I kind of started talking about Mini Bs, and I've been wanting one for a while, but couldn't justify it. It just feels like a good way to experiment with chassis setup and stuff on a car that we're not gonna just destroy, because our groms aren't good for actually trying to set up and tune nice, because every time we drive them, it's full throttle or not, and you know, we could probably try to practice trigger discipline with that, but we don't. And this feels like a good way, a cheap way, to get into something we can kind of play with tuning on. What's up?
Not cheap, affordable.
Affordable, well.
Reasonable. It feels very reasonable.
Yeah, I mean, I guess like you can get a brushed grom for this, but like groms are more of a toy than, I mean, this isn't like a race vehicle or anything, but it's a lot closer to like the two-wheel drive race buggies, like 1/10 buggies and stuff, than any of the groms are. So we wanted to get one to try and experiment with racing. We want to get a lap timing system and stuff, and that'll be primarily for the groms, but then we can absolutely use it on these, and I don't know. So I got a brushed Mini B just in time for them to allegedly be discontinuing them, because everywhere online says they're discontinued.
We're doing great at this advertising thing.
But Patrick may or may not have joined the team too. His is just...
We'll see on Thursday.
Yeah. So, shout out the boys at Leisure Hour.
Thanks, guys.
At the last brush when they had in stock. Do we want to show the box panels? I don't know. It's too late.
Hey, you want to see the panel in the box?
So there's...
Look at this one. It's the inside. Okay.
There's 3 colorways.
I've never actually seen this one available.
It might not exist. We're gonna go through the rest. Yeah, we're gonna go through the rest of this. It is not a ton. So,
while he's talking, I'm gonna just film this.
it's zip tied. So you get. Here it is. Ooh.
Wow.
That's good. That body is good. I love that.
Now, is this a Micro B?
Nope, still not a Micro B. Patrick can't get the Micro Mini Bs right.
I cannot discern the difference.
And the guy at the other hobby shop nearby us kept trying to tell him Micro B, right? He's like, no, I'm looking for a Mini B. Still.
They have aluminum parts available. Oh, look at that precision remote.
That controller looks quality. I wonder if you can use the DX6s with the dual protocol on these.
I wish I knew what you said.
The Spectrum remotes that they made compatible with ROMs and stuff.
Okay.
I'm curious if these, well, those use SLT2s, and I don't know what this one is. All right. We'll get there. Ooh. That's nice looking. Yeah. I've been eyeing this body for so long.
This is a great angle.
Here, I'll cover my face. I love this colorway. They don't have any cool colorways in the brushless, in my opinion. We're going brushed because it seems like it's a lot cheaper.
It's just easier than having self-control.
Yeah, well, and the brushless ones, from what I see, are a handful to drive, and I don't know, this just feels like it's less, like you have to spend more time doing chassis tuning to get it to drive fast than a brushless where it's just, you know, it's just a lot. I don't know.
So we're gonna put in a gyro and drift?
Patrick wants to drift everything, which I get. I get it, man, but
the people want to know.
So So you got a SX108 Spectrum servo. You've got a 2-in-1 ESC and brushed motor. Comes with a, what is this, a 650 milliamp LiPo with IC2.
I see 2 pins as well.
You know, it's an EC2 technically, I guess, but you get the point. They're all the same thing. You've got adjustable front, well, all adjustable links, which is nice to have out of the box. It's got decent feeling suspension. Also, it has threaded shocks, which is nice. They're plastic bodied shocks, but it's fine. Got an aluminum chassis. I don't remember the specs on the chassis. I don't think it's that.
I thought the bottom was open. It's obviously not.
Oh, when you asked that about it, you think we were talking about, no. Got it.
Yeah, yep.
Okay, I understand what you're asking now. It is interesting. The design of this is very, very similar to the Micro B.
But bigger.
Wait, yeah, this is interesting. Now I want to go grab one of my Micro Bs and compare it. Here, cut the clip.
Oh, small. So now that's a Mini B.
This, like, I never realized how similar they are.
Oh, they're not. Look how big that battery is.
Like, I don't know, the layout, like the front bulkhead design and stuff is the same, like the... Huh.
I mean, this has significantly more adjustability and like...
Well, right. These don't come with
joints.
adjustable links. I have them on my HackFab converted one, but...
Well, this one passed QC.
Oh, this didn't. That's a
Oh,
rough
no.
break. Huh. I've never looked closely enough at Mini Bs to compare them, but that's kind of neat to see. Although, obviously, Micro Bs are newer than the Mini B, so they use design inspiration from the Mini B for that, I guess. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. It's neat, though. I really like how it looks, and I'm really excited to drive it now.
Are you going to drive it right now?
No.
Okay.
I mean, maybe in a bit.
Is that a hole or is that just like
It's a hole. I don't know if the intention of that is so you can put like a turnbuckle wrench in that and turn it versus using that or what. But I see that in a lot of them.
Hey, if anybody knows why these have holes in them, please let us know. Let me know.
Yeah.
Alex already knows.
Personally message Patrick. I'll put his cell phone number in the description.
Call or text. Yeah, great.
But yeah, you've got the what is it? The
Wheels?
taper pin tires in the front. I think they're all considered that. But you got staggered wheels like a standard two-wheel drive buggy. No, there's nothing too special about it, but it seems like it'll be a really fun way to work on chassis tuning and understand how things affect it. Like, all of our cars end up being too fast to really get to see the suspension changes affect how it drives, because...
Yo, turn this thing on. I want to see the steering radius.
It's probably not much.
Oh, don't say that.
Oh,
we're looking for
so
precision handling.
It does come fully RTR. This thing's been out long enough that I'm sure there's a million unboxings, so it's not that important. Comes with this little super fast charger, I'm sure.
No USB plug.
Probably won't use that at all.
Wow.
Comes with this. This is for like calibrating things. Wheel wrench, one single Allen, and you get your random batteries. Every single different model they have seems to come with a different brand. I don't know.
What are those called? Gassner?
Gassners.
Gassners. Obviously. Sorry. My bad.
Huh. Is that? Oh.
What? Oh. That's a...
I'm glad I figured that out that fast, because that would have been really annoying to just be sitting here hunting. Nick's remote on his...
LMT? LMT?
No, the crawler.
Oh, the Vanquish?
The Vanquish. I'm pretty sure the Vanquish remote does that.
One
it's
of
nice
them
because you can put in a storage. Like if you're like transporting it, you can fit it in a small place by breaking the remote down, which is a nice little touch. I don't know if it's charged or not, but
We'll find out.
oh, okay. Doesn't have a steering rate adjustment, just trim, throttle, steering and throttle trim. That's actually pretty good.
I mean, it's quick.
Yeah, honestly, that still was way faster than I expected.
I wonder if we're gonna have to just use a lot of throttle this year. Ow.
Yeah, it'll be interesting. I like that it's two-wheel drive. I kept wanting to convert my my Typhon Grom to two-wheel drive, but this is a better alternative. So yeah, that's our new
Mini B.
adventure. We're gonna see what happens with these, and Patrick's will be here in like 5 days, and we'll see if we can get Nick to pick one up and suffer with us. But either way, I'm stoked, and it'll be fun to work him around. Even just like on our basement track or like a parking lot track, it'll be fun to rip him.
What is?
It's a Trends, yeah. So yeah, that's a very. I wonder when these came out. The box probably won't say.
Oh,
but these have been out for a
1975.
while. Doesn't matter. Whatever. So yep, there's our unboxing of a vehicle that is now allegedly discontinued. Per Horizon's site in the hobby store, they said they can't order them anymore, and so that might mean there's a new one coming out. But
Can't wait for the update.
woo! As long as it's just bodies, then.
Wow, so fast.
Honestly, like, with how small it is, we could build a pretty fun driveway track.
I thought you were going the other way.
Yeah, this is.
Somehow I'm dizzy.
Somehow?
Yeah, I'm gonna puke.
Yeah, it's slow, so as long as we have a technical track, it'll be fun. And you can definitely use the brake to turn tighter.
What?
Great.
Great.
That'll be nice to be able to have like an actual driveway track. Like to be able to use the driveway as a track and have it be big enough.
Let us know below if we should expand the driveway.
Into the street.